when we talk about the Clean Air Act and protecting the health of people, there's no doubt that the next generation is counting on us to do our job. About a month or so ago, I was fortunate enough to be in the Hall of Flags and see a number of young people from King Middle School do a demonstration of what they've been learning in their school science program and present that to a lot of us there. And I must say, I left that day feeling like we are in really good hands. These young people are phenomenal, and we're very happy to have Phoebe Howland and Andy Sylvester here today to give us just a brief overview of what their project was, and I think you'll agree with me, these are our future scientists in the making. So come on up to the podium, folks, and talk to us a bit about it.
Well, as you know, I'm Eddie Sylvester, and our spring expedition was about the Clean Air Act and air pollution. And in the beginning of spring, every student attempted to collect 5 tickets. They had a sticky surface on one side to collect the particulates. We then looked more closely at the dirty tickets by using light microscopes. After that, Victor Serio from the USL brought his scanning electron microscope, which could zoom in on our tickets 10,000 times the amount that the naked eye could see. This had shown me that the healthy air is important, because without it, it could leave wildlife and plants sick, injured, and even dead. Also, if our air is not clean, the livestock would become sick, and it would create meat shortages, and prices would be raised. Later on in the year, we started creating our brochures, which were pretty much telling what we've learned over the years. We did a lot of research to make these brochures, and we handed them out to the legislators, a few senators, and people passing by. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Phoebe Howland, and I'm going to 7th grade in Portland. At King Middle School, we did an expedition on air quality where we tested for particulates in the air, and we flew kites with data tickets and used microscopes to review what we found. We found a lot of particulates in the air. In other words, we found a lot of pollution. When you first look at these data tickets, the particulates look like pieces of dust. But then we put them under a scanning electron microscope and we zoomed in on the particulates and they looked like boulders. And remember, we breathe that. During the expedition, we mostly learned about the Clean Air Act. We learned that there are proposals to update it that will reduce air pollution. Those updates could prevent 11,000 premature deaths and tens of thousands of heart attacks, bronchitis cases, and asthma attacks. Therefore, keeping the air clean prevents health problems. It's better for people to stay healthy to have a better life. Specifically, healthy children grow up and learn better, and healthy grown-ups work better and can take care of their children. So clean air is good for people, for families, and for the economy. When we flew the kites to collect particulate data, most of us students found particulates in the air. This shows that the state of Maine needs to continue and increase air testing and needs to keep